There's so many options. Ah! So these are glasses that you should be able to listen to music on. Welcome back to What's Inside. Today we're going to see inside of some cool and very strange glasses.
Glasses?
Glasses. Very strange.
Like the ones that you put on your face, not like what you drink out of.
Not what you drink out of.
Yeah.
And a portion of today's video is sponsored by LastPass, and we'll get to that later. But for now, enter strange glasses.
Bose, like the Bose headphones and Nike.
Yeah, these are called the Nike Vapor Strobe. And these are training glasses that are supposed to help you train better. And they came out 8 or 9 years ago.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I think it might have been a failure by Nike. I don't think they sell these anywhere. I got these off of eBay. And the other one is something that I saw that I thought was incredibly interesting.
These ones look more normal, like actual sunglasses.
So let's look at the Bose ones first, and then we'll get to the unique Nike ones.
I'm guessing they play music or something.
Yeah, they're supposed to play music. I mean,
Bose is like headphones and music. They're kind of bulky right there.
Wow, they're pretty bulky, but they're supposedly play music. You ready? Are you gonna throw them on? Download the Bose Connect app. Did you hear it? Could you hear it?
60%.
60% battery.
Mine just turned on.
Download the Bose Connect. Do we look cool? I think we look cool. Did you say connected? Switch phones. Switch phones.
No, it's just switch
phones.
Switch these.
Oh yeah, switch glasses. You're so smart, Lincoln.
Did it say connected?
Now that you're so old, you're so smart.
That would look so weird to take a call because you're usually like if AirPods are in or something.
Yeah.
You're like, oh, that person's on the phone, or if you have your phone right here. But if you're just wearing sunglasses talking,
very cool.
That's kind of weird.
Do you hear it? I totally hear it right now. I'll turn it up a lot.
Yeah,
now it's up loud.
Hear it. Is it loud in your ears?
It's loud in my ears. It's super loud in my ears.
Yeah, you're talking pretty loud, so I'm guessing it's loud.
Here, I want to hear it. Here, you put it on. Oh my gosh, that's way different.
Wow. Yeah, that sounds like you're wearing headphones.
Beat drop.
That's loud.
That is weird. Now say I'm doing this, and Lincoln, go in the other room and call me. Call from Lincoln Markham. Hello there, Lincoln. It's your dad. If I could go on a bike ride or whoa, that's weird. Okay. Oh, hello, hello, hello. Put on speaker so they can hear me.
You can hear the wind of him running.
I'm running so fast there's wind. Okay, do you hear me?
Yeah?
I'd like to take this moment to say thank you to all of our viewers for watching our videos.
They have a charger with these like little metal connector points on the side. So it's not like USB-C or lightning adapter. It's kind of like the old MacBooks back in 2017. They have these little metal pins that you can connect onto it. These are good glasses to wear if you are golfing and you have somebody that's a spy that's telling you to be your actual caddy in a junior golf tournament. Oh. Hey Lincoln, make sure you hit a 7-iron. It's 153 yards.
That's an 8-iron.
I just making some, I don't know. Maybe there's some spy applications that you could do with this thing. The spy level is being achieved.
That's very true.
But overall, I think these are pretty darn cool so far. Yeah. Bose frames is what they're called. This fits in the cool category. This fits in kind of the weird, unique, strange category. Huh. Now before we do it, this portion of the video is sponsored by LastPass.
There are so many different accounts online that you have usernames and passwords for.
The way that I like to think about it is it's the last password that you need to remember. Very clever name. It relieves the burden of you having to remember a bunch of passwords. Stop getting locked out of your accounts. With LastPass, you don't have to write down, remember, or reset passwords because it does that for you. Put your passwords on autopilot with LastPass so that you can stay sane and stay productive with all the things that you need to do, whether it's on your computer or your phone. Whether it's iOS or Android, LastPass will easily auto-fill in your username and password when you go to a site. There's an unlimited amount of passwords that LastPass can store for you. It's also free for it to cross-sync across your devices, and it also has password sharing built into it. Start out 2020 by being safe in this digital age and download LastPass. The link is in the description. Thank you to LastPass for sponsoring this portion of the video. Now let's get back to the video. It is time for the Nike Vapor Strobe. I'm really excited to see these.
It looks like kind of an older box.
See those green things?
Green things.
Fancy. Reaction training eyewear. Has this never been opened before? Maybe. Oh.
Wait a second. I've seen him wear these on ESPN.
You did?
Yeah. Yeah, I did.
And what did you think when you saw him wear this?
Those are extremely ugly.
Okay.
Why would you wear those?
These are pretty cool. They're training glasses. This is the idea behind these glasses. When you're playing sports, your reaction time has to be incredibly quick. It has a strobe that's built into it. It just completely blacks out. So we could be in the backyard playing catch. I throw it to you, and within that second of the ball coming, it might flash like 5 times. And so you really only see a portion of what's happening, so you catch the ball and you react.
That is smart.
And it kind of like increases the speed instead of seeing the ball the whole time.
Whoa. I can see now.
You see that? Whoa. Look at his eyes. Don't cover it up. Look at it. Right. On their glasses.
Whoa. No.
You put it back on. Let me change the settings.
No, that does not feel good.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. I'm closing my eyes right now. Okay. Oh, that's slower. Oh, that's slower. How is that a thing? Okay, go throw a football at me. Oh no, now I got the other one. There's so many options. Ah! You do start to feel sick. Oh my gosh. Nike, what were you thinking with this?
It makes you not feel good.
It does. I feel like that makes you incredibly nauseous. It's like those are sick glasses. Come on, testing it out. Whoa, I didn't even see it. Oh man, I said that on the face. Whoa. Okay. He's not even phased. You need to go higher.
See.
Oh. It is so weird. So the Bose AR headphones, how do they work?
Oh.
Battery 60% as I did that. Well, here's the inside of the arm.
Wow.
Wow. Look
that
at
was
that.
so easy. So that's the charging port right here.
We just took that off. You can see the other side of it. Very interesting on the inside of this. I think the repairability on this, if Zach was doing it, would be pretty good.
You could probably just do it with your fingers.
No, I can't. Oh! There's the speaker. That's what's inside of it. Look at that speaker.
It's pretty small.
I think it's pretty big for being in glasses.
For
it looks
glasses,
like a subwoofer.
yes.
The plastic cover goes over it, and so it forces all of the sound to go right down through this little window right here. So there's a little subwoofer right there. Oh, magnet. Pretty good magnet there. There's this whole air pocket right in here, so the sound bumps from there, and it comes out of right here, right there, and right there. So it covers a pretty full area. There's the speakers, there's what's inside of these. Oh, the strobe one. I don't want to damage this because it's so unique. That's what
is it?
helps it communicate. Oh, they're like little plastic.
They're little plastic pieces. That's not like actual glass. Wow.
Okay.
Hey, there they are. So they're just fog.
So it's
if there's no technology going into it, right?
Well, there's technology, but it's not fog.
I mean,
because it turns on and off at will.
So it's like two different.
Somehow this plastic receives a charge from here and it decides whether it's going to be cloudy or not cloudy inside of there.
Technology 8 or 9 years ago too.
That's next level. That's pretty cool. And then,
even though it does make people sick, at least it made us sick.
Yeah, I would imagine it makes other people sick.
Yeah. Well, hey.
Inside of here, just like most products like speakers or glasses or radios,
it's got some chip boards.
Like the PCB boards, I think they call them, right down in here. I don't know how these microprocessors work and how it all does everything. The real fascinating thing about what's inside of these glasses is this and how it works. And I wish I was smart enough with science to tell you how it worked, but I don't know. I'm kind of baffled.
It's pretty cool.
Do I recommend these? If you're an athlete, I think there's other things you can do. We really like Nike, and I love that they're thinking of something new here, but I have a hard time believing that this is something that many, many people are using successfully. All right, thanks for watching. Bye. I'm so alone, nothing feels like home. Very cool.
That's kind of weird.